Hello guys, I'm happy to share with you this restaurant, the Seafood and Barbecue Restaurant. It's located at Dumangas, Iloilo. So, masarap yung seafoods dito guys at saka mga barbecue nila. So, this is the place. It's a nice place to visit. It's a good ambience also. And it's some Gramampol place. So, yan siya guys. So, maaga kami pumunta nito, kaya walang katao-tao siya guys. So, ito yung place nila. So, merong, parang cottage siya guys. Na style. So, yan siya. And dito, pwede ka kumain dito. Pwede ka mag-choose ng kung saan mo gusto. So, hindi siya din mainit. No? So, ganyan siya. And meron, if you want to take a lot of photos, it's allowed talaga. So, dito na side. So, pwede ka ting pumunta doon at mag-take pictures in the front. Parang may pa-video okay din sila dito, guys. So, ganyan. Ganyan yung style. And then dito, parang pumasok ka sa ng nyog. And then there is a heart on the top. So, ayan, to take pictures. So, ito yung sa Diorios. Saka mga nice yung mga crew dito, guys. And then, mababait sila. So, ayan. And then, there is a big milkfish dito sa side. So, if you want to take photo with a big milkfish na, gusto nyo ihawin nyo na. So, ganyan siya, guys. And then, this part naman po, hello to Dugi. So, this part is for VIP. Yung ditong side na to. So, dahil maaga, they allowed us na mag-take photo din dito. So, this is a VIP cottage na kainan. Ayun, may nakalagay, VIP area. So, ayan guys, kung gusto nyong masolo. So, parang may room siya dito na kayo lang. Kung gusto nyo yung family, ganyan. So, hindi ko siya natanong kung magkano dito, guys. Kasi may bayad yung dito ang site. Pag kumuha kayo nito dito. Yung sa VIP. Di ba maganda? Parang kubo-kubo lang siya. So, ayan. So, nung pumunta kami, walang malalaking crab kasi super aga namin. And then, hindi pa raw dumating ang kanilang delivery. So, dito guys, if you want to be an angel with a colorful wings, then you can take a picture there. So, ayan siya. And then, you can go up on this side para to take photo then. Pero, if there is VIP guys, they are not allowed you to go up here. So, ayan. So, yung kung may naka-occupied on this place. So, ganyan siya guys. Yung place is nasa gitna ng water. So, dagat po yan guys Yung kabila yung dagat na. Yung sa other side na. Yung parang, lang to dito, yung sa may gilid. Pero matatanaw mo na yung dagat yung sa kabila. So, ayan. Nung pumunta kasi kami, hindi malalim yung tubig. So, ayan siya. And it's nice place to visit and eat. So, hindi ka talaga magsisisi dito sa foods nila. Kasi yung foods nila dito ay masarap talaga. So, sa may mga allergic sa seafood, so bring cetirizine. So, ganun lang. So, nung pumunta kasi kami, maganda yung panahon. And, especially that time is very early din. Kasi nag-open sila around 11 or 12 na. Tapos, ayan yung food namin na-order. Yun, guys. Kasi wala siyang maliliit yung crabs. So, kumuha kami ng crabs, yung garlic crab, tapos yung pusit, at saka sisig na super sarap. So, yun, we have cokes and hindi nawawala si rice, syempre. Si rice is life. So, yan siya, guys. So, crispy pata. And then, there is a yummy halo-halo din. So we take picture. This is my sister and brother-in-law. So ayan siya guys, got a bonding here. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.